How to track expenses in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be on the main dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your finances, including accounts, budgets, and expenses. To track your expenses, look for the Transactions tab in the left side menu and click on it. This section shows all your recent transactions automatically imported from your linked bank accounts and credit cards. You can categorize your expenses by clicking on any transaction and selecting the appropriate category like groceries, entertainment, or bills. If a transaction is missing or haven't been imported, you can add it manually by clicking the Add Transaction button. Mint also allows you to set up alerts and budgets based on your spending patterns, helping you stay on top of your expenses. You can review your spending trends by category or over time in this spending or reports section. And that's it. Now you know how to track expenses in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.